how to update the app Google Drive. If you want to update your Google Drive application, then it's a very simple procedure. You need to make sure that your device is completely updated, and you also need to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. According to your device, open up your respective app store. For Android, you have to go to Play Store, and for iOS device, you have to go to App Store. So you want to tap on the search bar right over here, and on the search bar type in Drive, locate Google Drive, and if you see update right next to it, click on that and then update the app to the latest version. Wait for it to completely update, and for the smooth functioning you could restart your device as well. And similarly for the iOS, you do the same thing, restart your device as well as upload or upload the app, and that's the way you could go ahead and upload and update the uh, Google Drive application on your device. So that is how you could go and update the app. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.